All right, guys, we are super excited to have you here with us today to present to you
Hit you in the face.
the world's most unbreakable, unchippable, uncorruptible skateboard.
We gotta open the box.
I don't think it's unconstitutional. Ow! Wow! Look at that.
Back to the future, back to the life.
Wow.
There is a note.
8-inch street board. Hey, Braille, here is our new board, the Slate 2. It's a highly improved version of the first board we sent you over 2 years ago.
Wow.
We did, I think 2, maybe 3, maybe 18 videos with this 2 years ago, and we were thoroughly impressed. They sent us another one. On average, it lasts more than 8 times longer than a maple board. It's lasted some riders 14 times longer, without a doubt. This is the most durable deck available. We want you to put it through the ultimate test to show how difficult it is to destroy. Try to razor tail, chip, and snap it to show what it can hold up to.
Deal.
We also wanted to thank all of you for the support. Without the help of Braille and your awesome followers, this level of skateboard technology would not be available today.
Do you feel
That's
that?
for real.
You put grip tape on this?
That does
So what is this?
look
Is this
really
like,
incredible.
yeah, this green layer though.
They're saying that without Braille, this level of skateboard technology wouldn't exist. I think that's pretty cool. Can I get somebody yeah, thank
Wow.
you, jeez. Did
Yep.
it break yet?
Nope, that hurts though.
So he's gripping that, and I decided, we also did this other board, the flight board, and we decided, let's do a little comparison because this one was also very, very tough. We're going to do a little comparison between these two boards. We're gonna start with a razor tail test. After we get these boards set up, we're gonna drag it behind a car in the parking lot and see if thy boardeth razor taileth. Wow, wow, this is pretty. Look at that. I just have to point a few things out on this. Okay, it looks so slick, it's really awesome. We have green all the way around and inside this. I think that might be the same green stuff that is from Ninja Turtles 2. You ready
Can I throw it on the ground?
for the razor tail off?
Can I throw it on the ground?
Throw it on the ground.
This is a test. Nothing.
Chipped already.
Oh, straight up. That's the one thing we didn't try with this before. All right, razor tail off, let's go.
All right, do you want to do this one first and then that one?
Oh, already. Should I do that on the way back? Stick. Look, right next to his tire. I'm so scared. Dang.
That is, that's razor
We
tail.
just lost all the pop on this deck.
Now for the live board. Oh yeah! The best day of my life. Right there, fast. Razor, sharp.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's Secret of the Ooze.
It went down a smidge.
It went
but not
down.
like
Not like a crazy amount.
not
What was
like that one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's
I didn't
eating
see
away.
It. Let's go in the car. Let it rip, Fetty. This is scary. Right next to the wheel. I could die at any time. Okay, how was that one? I don't know how you would describe this. How many months of skating do you think would put into that?
You would get a new board before your board even got to this point. Think-
So we dragged it behind a car and it wore down, but it didn't wore down like a crazy amount. And it's just that I don't even know what that is. Some very hard plastic.
So I think if you skated it on a day-to-day basis, that's obviously it's gonna last you a lot longer.
Yeah. Oh, with a typical board, on that first throw, to the ground, it would have been, the nose would have been completely shattered.
Like that?
And this would have been gone. So when this one wears down, it just goes down to the plastic, and this one has that layer of, it's actually fiberglass in there, which could actually cut you. I mean, it's a little bit of a difference, but let's roll inside and skate these things. Okay, so we have the ultimate brake test. I feel like there's nothing that is more likely to break a skateboard. I'm gonna show you what we did. Ollie off the 5, land on this parking block in board slide. We did it on this board and it literally obliterated it in a second. So we're gonna see what happens on this board.
Look at me, I'm a test dummy.
What just happened? I was not ready and then I just heard, BOW!
You landed it.
Nothing. That was ridiculous. Land and roll away. Oh, it's not your problem. There's a curb in the way.
All right, well, I guess I'm gonna try and goof around on it too.
All right, guys, leave it in the comments below. How many times does Fetty fall on this 5-stair right here in this video? Leave it in the comments below with the hashtag notification squad. If you got the notifications turned on, we will send you a prize package. We will pick one winner. So leave it in the comments below. I feel like so far the brake test is going pretty well.
It's going well for the board, not for the
Yeah,
humans.
for us, we suck right now.
Come on, little buddy.
Are you trying to land it or break the board?
I don't know what you're doing at
I'm
this
trying
point.
to land it.
Does that count as a nose
I
blunt?
missed. I'm hot.
Yeah, you are.
What is he trying to do?
Back 180, stall on the thing.
Normally we skate over this stuff, so don't try this at home, okay? This is not really what this is intended for.
I'm gonna sit this one out. Yeah, you got it, Carlos.
Well, so far this thing is holding up like a beast. I don't know how to describe this to you guys so you could really understand, but it's dropping from about this far onto this with 170 pounds on top of it, like this. I think that's pretty impressive. Onto the rail. It's just the world's worst board slide. Grab the flight deck and do the same thing.
That one didn't even give.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
It broke the opposite way.
It didn't break that way, it broke this way? That is really weird. Let me slow-mo that. I gotta get like a good slow-mo shot of that. Oh no, it didn't film! Do it again!
This is a valley.
What?
Ow. Ow.
Cut you?
Yeah, that's crazy.
The grip fell.
You ungripped?
Oh,
Like
that's
I said, I
crazy.
had... We have to do that other test. No, we need to do... Okay, I wanted to do a quick chip test. This one is gonna be hard to chip test because it's not gonna roll the same, but we're definitely gonna chip test this one. This is a concrete wall. Right into the corner, Fetty. Fetty breaks everything, go.
God, he scares me. Huh? I got a little chip.
Nothing.
Okay, that's some damage. I feel like that, like,
The rainforest.
give this your all on the rail, on the lip slide.
Okay.
Lip slide it up.
This board's just hurting everybody and not itself.
Boy, I tell you what.
Nothing. Nothing. When you try and like force it on there, it bounces you.
That's how you make something that doesn't break. You make it have give and launch you out. He still landed. Wow. Look, the carbon fiber started to go, but the green is holding it together. Let's see if we can still kick it a bit. Give it your all, Fetty. Give it your all.
Mean to me.
It's incredible that it's still together, though. All right, guys, well, we hope you enjoyed that video. We had a blast making it, other than the fact that Fetty almost died 1,200 times. Leave it in the comments below how many times Fetty fell off the stairs on the parking block. Both of these boards are incredibly, incredibly strong. If this was any other board that was just a regular maple board, they both would have shattered.
Oh, yeah.
We did 2 tries. Everything we could to try and break these boards. If we were just skating on them regularly, both of these boards would last. I feel like they would
So
last
long.
Forever.
Huge thanks to Lithe for sending us this board and for pushing skateboard technology to the next level. Just look at that. That is like something else that is going on inside there, which is really cool.
Yeah,
of
this
course.
would last forever.
Yeah, go Ninja, go Ninja, go.
Especially just skating in here.
Yeah, you guys can check these guys out. We will leave the link to their website in the description below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are learning to skate and having a blast. Check out all of the other videos that we made with this board, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. You guys know what to do.